I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I drink water when I wake up.
I drink water when I wake up.
I wash my face twice a day.
I wash my face twice a day.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I make my bed every morning.
I make my bed every morning.
I do yoga before breakfast.
I do yoga before breakfast.
I eat breakfast before I go to work.
I eat breakfast before I go to work.
I write my to-do list every day.
I write my to-do list every day.
I pack my lunch before work.
I pack my lunch before work.
I water the plants every morning.
I water the plants every morning.
I run in the park every morning.
I run in the park every morning.
I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
I wait for the bus every day.
I wait for the bus every day.
I listen to music on the way to work.
I listen to music on the way to work.
I always wear my seatbelt.
I always wear my seatbelt.
I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning.
I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning.
I talk to clients on the phone.
I talk to clients on the phone.
I send emails at work every day.
I send emails at work every day.
I teach English every afternoon.
I teach English every afternoon.
I drink coffee during my break.
I drink coffee during my break.
I heat my lunch in the microwave.
I heat my lunch in the microwave.
I read books at the cafe.
I read books at the cafe.
I do my shopping on Saturdays.
I do my shopping on Saturdays.
I buy vegetables at the store.
I buy vegetables at the store.
I pay by card at the store. I pay by card at the store. I buy medicine at the pharmacy. I buy medicine at the pharmacy. I go to the bank once a month. I go to the bank once a month. I get a haircut every month. I get a haircut every month. I feed the birds in the park. I feed the birds in the park. I borrow books from the library. I borrow books from the library. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I wash my clothes on Sundays. I wash my clothes on Sundays. I fold my clothes after washing. I fold my clothes after washing. I walk my dog in the evening. I walk my dog in the evening. I order food at the restaurant. I order food at the restaurant. I cook dinner in the evening. I cook dinner in the evening. I keep food in the fridge. I keep food in the fridge. I wash the dishes after lunch. I wash the dishes after lunch. I set the table before dinner. I set the table before dinner. I clean the house on weekends. I clean the house on weekends. I cook a quick meal at night. I cook a quick meal at night. I play games with my family. I play games with my family. I watch TV after work. I watch TV after work. I call my family on weekends. I call my family on weekends. I drink tea on my balcony. I drink tea on my balcony. I take off my shoes at the door. I take off my shoes at the door. I set my alarm at night. I set my alarm at night. I read before I go to sleep. I read before I go to sleep. I go to sleep at 11 at night. I go to sleep at 11 at night. I sleep early to feel fresh tomorrow. I sleep early to feel fresh tomorrow.